guys, Star here. How's it going? Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can actually strengthen the security of your account by using Authenticator apps as a method for two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. So you don't just have to use SMS or email verification, but you can actually use Authenticator apps. So let me show you how you can set that up in your HighLevel account. So you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. We're just going to scroll down to settings. Once you click on settings, then you're going to see an option for My Profile. Please click on My Profile. Then I want you to just go ahead and scroll down to two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This will support any TOTP-based authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, Authy, and others. So go ahead and click on this blue button that says Set up Two-Factor Authentication 2FA app. Once you click on that button, you're going to get this pop-up. This is going to be a QR code for you to scan. You're going to scan this code with the authentication app that you choose to use, such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or Duo. Or you can also enter the following code. So then you'll be prompted to enter a code on the next screen to confirm this setup. You'll also be periodically asked to log in with a 2FA code that's generated by the Authenticator app. You'll then be issued a verification code for the Authentication app. So just go ahead and enter that code to make sure that your app is working correctly. You'll now be able to use this Authentication app to verify yourself instead of using SMS or email. So once you enter that code, then you're going to see that there's a success message that's going to pop up. You'll now be issued a series of backup codes. With the 2FA enabled on your account, you'll need these backup codes if you ever lose your device. So without your device or a backup code, you'll have to contact support to recover your account. So please do keep that in mind. So go ahead and copy all of these codes. We recommend that you also print them and keep them in a safe place. And it'll also note the date that these codes were generated. And for your convenience, as always, HighLevel is amazing. You can also download them as a PDF. So go ahead and copy your QR codes, keep them in a safe place. And for extra measures, download that PDF and keep that in a safe place as well. So the next time you sign in, you're going to see that you have 3 options. You can actually verify your security code by email, text, or by using your Authenticator app. So go ahead and increase the security of your account by using two-factor authentication through an Authenticator app.